There are hundreds of types of mushrooms, so there are hundreds of ways of making mushroom soup. But I highly recommend this one. If you want, you can skip the wine and add more water. If you don't want to put wine in it, that's fine. You know those dried mushrooms you see at the grocery store? And you've always wondered what they're for? Buy some of them. Take one or two, dice them up, and put them in with the broth at the beginning of the recipe. And you'll have an entire another level of flavor. It'll be really great. If you want to store some of this, maybe you have some recipes that call for mushroom soup. Instead of using the canned stuff, at the beginning, before we add the cream, remove 1 or 2 half-cup portions, and that'll stay in the freezer for up to 6 months. And then when you take it out, put in your recipe and add a little bit of cream then. If you have any people in your house that like mushroom soup, they're going to love this recipe. So do them a favor, grab some mushrooms, and try this out.